I get asked often what a hydro sounds like if it's failing. That, dear friends, that is what a hydro sounds like after somebody decided to put Lucas in the transmission in order to make it sound quieter one last time. It's on its way out. Right now, it's got about 8 more yards worth of gravel to haul. We'll see if it survives. But I get asked that question a lot, so John and I figured we would make this video. Have fun. See you on the next one.